Hello, today our goal is to learn idiomatic future and simple future. This is going to versus will. Simple future is a construction that we use with the auxiliary will. We use will to indicate predictions. These are things that we think will happen at a certain point in the future. For example, he will be a good doctor. I believe they will win this match. Another use for simple future is to indicate instant decisions. These are decisions that we make at the moment of speaking. For example, we don't have any sugar. I'll buy some then. Another use for simple future is to make promises or refusals. For example, I will help you, but I won't lend you any money. The final use for simple future is to express an offer. For example, I'll carry your bag. Or, shall I carry your bag? It's important for you to know that the auxiliary shall is only used in very formal situations. On the other hand, we use idiomatic future to express predictions. These are things that we see. We are having present evidence. For example, slow down. We're going to have an accident. Or, look at the clouds. It's going to rain. Remember that another use for idiomatic future is to indicate decisions that we made before now. These are our intentions or plans. For example, are you going to watch the game tonight? How is simple future and idiomatic future different? Okay. Affirmative sentences in simple future include a subject, the auxiliary will, a verb, and a complement. Affirmative sentences with idiomatic future include a subject, the verb to be, going to, the verb, and a complement. Negative sentences in simple future include a subject, will, not, the principal verb, and a complement. Negative sentences in idiomatic future include a subject, the verb to be, not, going to, the verb, and a complement. The interrogative form in simple future includes the auxiliary will, a subject, a verb, a complement, and obviously the question mark. Interrogative sentences with idiomatic future include the verb to be, the subject, going to, the verb, a complement, and the question mark. Remember that we use future simple to express predictions, beliefs, or intentions about the future, and especially when we are certain that these events will happen. We use going to refer to a strong intention or a future plan. Let's practice future. Sam is going to work late tonight. We have present evidence. He won't play tennis. This is an instant decision. It's going to rain. This is a present evidence. Roberto will go home. This is an instant decision. Tony is going to do homework. This is a decision he made before now. His dad will help him. This is a promise. They're going to go bowling. This is their plan. They will have a great time. This is a prediction. They're going to play together. This is a plan. They will help Kathy lift that box. This is an offer. Remember, we use future tenses to talk about our future plans, our future intentions, promises or offers with future simple. Or we can use going to to express future plans or premeditated intentions. For predictions, when they are based on observing the present situation. Thank you very much for your attention.